So, do you remember what today is?
Yes.
Then?
I remember that I'm supposed to remember.
So, this was the plan?
Yes.
Really? From the beginning?
From the moment you asked.
I can't believe you.
You always do.
This entire scene was created using AI, and it only took a few minutes. And no, this is not real footage. Everything, the characters, the video, even the lip sync, was generated using a single tool called Design. So let me show you exactly how I made this. First, go to the Design website. You can find the link in the description. Now let's start by creating our characters. Inside Design, we can generate a consistent character just from a simple prompt. This is important because we want the same character to appear in different scenes. So from here, go to the Consistent Character tool. Then click the Build Your Character button. Here you'll see two different modes, Quick Mode and Training Mode. Let me briefly explain the difference. Quick Mode is the fastest option. You just upload one image and it creates your character in seconds. You can also enter a prompt which describes your character. This is perfect for quick tests and simple results. Training Mode is more advanced. You can upload multiple images and the AI learns your character in more detail. This gives you more accurate and consistent results. For this video, I'll use Quick Mode since it's fast and gives us quick results. First, let's give our character a name. I'll call him Lucas. Now I'm going to create a prompt for Lucas. All you need to do is describe your character. For example, you can define the age, hair, face, and overall look. Before generating the character, choose a style. You can go with cartoon, stylized, or realistic. I'll choose realistic for a more natural look. You can also upload a reference image for the character's face. Now click the Generate button, and in a few seconds, Design will create your character. It will generate two different versions of your character. You can pick the one you like the most. Once you're happy with the result, click the Start Building button. Then save it as a consistent character. Now repeat the same process for the second character. I'll create Olivia the same way. Just generate the character and save it as a consistent character. Alright, now let's create a scene with the characters we just created. Now go to the top left. Click the plus icon to add your characters to the scene. You can add more than 2 characters if you want, but for this scene, I'll only select Lucas and Olivia. Now we need to enter a prompt in the Character Action and Scene section. To include a character in the scene, just type @ before the name. It will appear highlighted in blue. Here, I'll use a cinematic prompt to create a car scene. I'm placing both characters inside a car with a front view. The scene is on a coastal road during sunset for a warm and cinematic look. Now remove the character names and type @ to add them. When you type it, a list of your characters will appear. Just select the character from the list, and it will be highlighted in blue. Before generating, I'll select the V1 model and set the quality to 2K. Aspect ratio is important depending on your use case. For this video, I'll choose 16:9 for YouTube. Once everything is ready, just click the Generate button. And here is the result. As you can see, the characters look natural and the lighting is very cinematic. Once you're happy with the result, we can move on. Now let's move on to creating lip sync. Just click the lip sync button below the image to get started. As you can see, the faces are automatically detected. Yellow means selected, and blue means not selected yet. Now let's select Olivia as well. You can also select the faces manually if you want. Then click the Next button to continue. Here in the lip sync editor, you can see 3 tracks. The first track is for the final video. The other 2 are voice tracks for each character. Now click the Pick a Voice button next to Olivia to choose a voice. Here, you have 2 options. You can go to the Upload Audio tab and add your own recorded voice. Or you can use the Text-to-Speech tool to generate a voice. For this video, I'll use Text-to-Speech. Here you can select the language for your voice. You can also click Preview to listen and choose the voice you like.
I must not fear.
Find a comfortable place to lie down. Make sure your spine is straight.
To add emotion to your voice, make sure to select Expressive Mode. You can then use tags to control the emotion in the dialogue. Now let's write the first line for Olivia. To give her a curious tone, add "curious" in square brackets at the beginning. Now click the Generate button to create the voice.
So, do you remember what today is?
If you don't like the result, you can click Regenerate to try again.
So, do you remember what today is?
If you like the result, click the Apply button. This will add the voice to Olivia's track. Now for Olivia's second line, click the Add button after the first one. Then generate the next voice line.
Then.
You can drag and place the audio clips anywhere on the timeline. Now let's create the voice for Lucas. This time, select a male voice. Then generate the dialogue just like before, using tags to add emotion.
Yes.
You can adjust the video length by simply extending the image in the timeline.
I remember that I'm supposed to remember.
Once all the audio clips are added,
So,
you
do
can
you know
adjust the timing by dragging them on the timeline.
What day is?
Yes.
Then.
Yes.
Then.
I remember that I'm supposed to remember.
Once everything is set, choose 1080 for the output quality. Then click the Generate button to start creating the video. Depending on the length, the process may take some time.
So, do you remember what today is?
Yes.
And here is the
Then.
final result. As you can see, the lip sync is
remember
very
that I'm
smooth,
supposed to
and the video
remember.
quality looks great. However, there is a small issue. The character's teeth look slightly blurry and not very sharp. To fix this, we can use the Video Enhance tool. Here, instead of using Upscale, go to the Enhance tab. Then set it to 1x to improve the video quality.
So,
And here is the enhanced
do you
result.
remember what today
Now it looks
is?
much better, and the
Yes.
details are much clearer.
Then.
I remember that I'm supposed to remember.
Now click the Download button to save the first scene. Now let's move on to the second scene. Go to the Character tab on the left panel. Then click the Generate Images with your character option. Now delete the car scene prompt and paste your new prompt for the restaurant scene. Just like before, replace the character names with @tags to add them to the scene. Once the image is generated, click the Lip Sync tab. As you can see, all faces in the scene are detected, including the ones in the background. But for this scene, we will only select Olivia and Lucas. Now, just like before, add the dialogues for the characters. Once everything is ready, just click the Generate button to create the second scene.
So, this was the plan?
Yes.
Really? From
And
the
here is the
beginning?
second scene. As
From
you
the
can see,
moment you
Design
asked.
does a great job with
I
multiple
can't
character
believe
lip
you.
sync. The interaction feels
always
natural,
do.
and everything is well synchronized. Finally, I combined both scenes in a video editor and added some background sounds. And that's how I created this short cinematic scene using AI.
So, do you remember what today is?
Yes.
Then.
I remember that I'm supposed to remember.
As you can see, Design works really well
this
for
was the
consistent
plan?
characters and multi-character lip sync.
Really?
And it can do much more than
From
this.
the beginning?
If you want to try it,
From
check
the
the link in
moment
the
you asked.
description. And don't forget to use my code to get 40% off.
Always
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.